If you want an example of the absolute ultimate JD Mark II Jaguar, the willow green example we have here is probably a very good starting point. This Jaguar Mark II 3.8 was built by JD Classics without any consideration to cost. The final build total was well in excess of £500,000, and the brief was quite simple from the client who commissioned the car: build me the ultimate modern interpretation of the iconic Mark II Jaguar. The full specification list of extras applied to this car is too long to list, but highlights include the full spec 4.7 engine on throttle bodies, advanced engine management, every component balanced and hand assembled in our race engine shop on site. We have a hard-won reputation for building the most powerful XK race engines in the world. The same race engine builders built this engine as a showcase of what probably represents the ultimate road race Jaguar XK engine. To cope with the prodigious performance increase and to keep things cool, additional oil coolers for engine and transmission were installed under the front bumper in custom-made shrouds. A custom-made alloy radiator was fitted. The bonnet features custom louvers, and in the engine bay we installed extra inner wing engine cooling vents. We fitted solid billet brake clutch reservoirs on the bulkhead, and the car featured a hidden large capacity windscreen washer reservoir. This engine was paired to a bespoke 5-speed close ratio JD gearbox, and this power is sent to the rear wheels via a custom-made carbon fibre prop shaft, tamed by race specification dual circuit remote control shock absorbers with full electrical power steering, and the car sits on custom 16-inch stainless steel period wire wheels. Other custom features include a wiring loom to F1 standard with old-fashioned original style covering and braiding, and following race car practice the battery was removed to the boot for better weight distribution. A neat idea was the use of a photocell on the rear parcel shelf to enable constant charging of the battery. Naturally, both front and rear screens were heated. The interior of the car included JD custom seats with hidden rear inertia seat belts, Darrington steering wheel with period custom switch gear to the left of the wheel, custom pedals, iPod dock custom made in the centre console with sat-nav above the radio and incorporating hidden speakers, custom made air conditioning fitted in the bulkhead with the switches in the ashtray, footwell lighting, and fully retractable umbrellas fitted to the front door pillars. For use in today's busy traffic conditions, the rear headrests were fitted with brake lights. Parking sensors were added. LED fog lights in the rear brake light cluster were incorporated. Twin outside fuel fillers were fitted for security. Central locking, including the boot, and an ISO-fix child rear seat fixing were incorporated, just in case you had to transport small precious cargo. Perhaps the most appropriate extra, which is highly relevant to a car of this performance, was the fitment of radar in both the front and rear number plates. Whilst it would be naive to suggest this car did not suggest it had something a little extra under the bonnet, the discreet, exquisite hand-built body of this classic Jaguar belied the tremendous real-world performance of this very fast and refined GT car, much to the astonishment of other road users who have been passed while driving their own modern performance cars. JD Classic's reputation speaks for itself. We build the best bespoke Jaguars in the world, and our wealth of experience, success on track, together with our endorsement by Jaguar Cars Limited as their worldwide Jaguar Heritage Racing partner, means that, when you ask us to build your ultimate specification classic Jaguar for use on today's roads, we confidently assert that we can build the best and meet or exceed your expectations.